Welcome back, YouTube, to another quick Bertolli recipe. This is their 5 cheese sauce. Look at that. All the different cheeses in there. This is $3. And Ronzoni pasta. This is $1. And this whole meal costs $4. That's $2 a person. There's no way you can get that in a restaurant. But look at the quality of that sauce. 5 cheeses and you don't need anything else. Alright, YouTube, we have boiling water. Wrap it. Boil, throw some salt in there, and then take your pasta. This is a pound of pasta. Slip that in there, let it sink naturally, and cook this for 12 minutes. A pound of pasta takes 12 minutes. Alright, YouTube, so we drained our pasta. Now you want to get a medium or large skillet, and let's throw some in there, and it doesn't matter if you get the pasta water in there. Alright, YouTube, so we have the pasta in there. Like I said, take that 5 cheese sauce and just throw it in there. Look at the quality of that. Put your stove on low. And the thing you're going to want to do is just cover this and let this warm up together for like 3 or 4 minutes and keep an eye on it, and then you're set. And there you have it, YouTube. A really quick Bertolli 5 cheese pasta recipe. And it costs $4, $2 a person. You can never get that at an Italian restaurant. And the quality of this is good because it uses really good 5 cheeses and olive oil. So please hit the like, subscribe, and many more Bertolli and other pasta recipes to come. Love you, Dan Soy.